Hello. Meet the new Cube Touring Pro greynorange 2020 Easy Entry Year bike. The Cube Touring Pro has two standout features. First, of course, there's its high-quality aluminium frame. Light, comfortable and efficient whether you're riding across town or heading out in search of new routes at the weekend, it'll win you over from the first turn of the pedals. Second, there's its powerful hydraulic disc brake system. Why did we select disc brakes for our versatile tourer? Simple, because they slow you down safely and reliably, whatever the weather's doing. And that's an important consideration, whether you're an everyday rider braving the traffic on the way to work or an occasional tourer exploring at the weekends. Do you like this video? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details. And subscribe to the channel.